All right, today I'll show you how to find the signal meter that is hidden in your television. Using a signal meter is very helpful whenever you're setting up a TV antenna, whether it's an indoor antenna or an outdoor antenna. It lets you position your antenna as accurately as possible so you're getting the best quality signal. But they could be tricky to find inside your TV's menu. Sometimes they're hidden, and TV brands use all kinds of different labels. So I'm going to show you today some easy tips to find the antenna signal meter hidden in your television. Here's a couple of things you should do before you try searching for the signal meter built into your TV. The first thing is connect your TV antenna to the cable in or antenna in plug on the back of the television. And then make sure you select the TV input source on your television. Most brands will call this TV, but some may call it DTV or antenna. So go ahead and pick that, because if you're on any other input source such as HDMI, then often the signal meter option will be grayed out and not available to you. Open the menu on your television and you're going to look for one of the following options, because the signal meter could be hidden in any one of these possibilities. It really varies by TV brand. Look for a label that either says TV, channels, channel, installation, setup, channel tuning, channel scan, settings. I've even seen the signal meter hidden in some support or self-diagnosis menus in TVs. Open that option that you have in your television, and now you're going to look for something that says signal meter, DTV signal, channel strength, signal information, diagnostics, antenna DTV. It really varies widely by TV manufacturer. Here's a few concrete examples for you. This old Insignia television has the signal meter in the channels menu under channel strength. This old higher brand television has the signal meter in the TV menu under DTV signal. And some newer TVs actually have the signal meter in a diagnostics or support menu. And I've seen other ones that have the signal meter buried inside the channel scan menu, where you have to click a few options to find it. There really is no single easy answer as to where the TV signal meter is kept. It really depends on the TV brand. Now, hopefully you've been able to track down where the antenna signal meter is hidden in your television's menu. Here's something else you might notice too. The signal meters on TVs vary just as widely as where they're hidden. Some signal meters are very, very simple, just a simple spectrum that says good, fair, poor. Some of them go a little further and maybe have a series of signal bars, kind of like a cell phone would. And some go even further, giving you a signal percentage or a signal strength percentage, or even a signal to noise ratio metric, which is measured in decibels. And that's also very useful for setting up a TV antenna. So again, some signal meters are really simple and some can be very detailed. Those ones tend to be much more helpful. Now here's another little tip. Lots of TVs, when you press the info or the display button on the remote control, will give you some kind of a glimpse of a signal meter along with the program information, but that might not be the actual signal meter offered by the TV. It's going to be buried somewhere in the menu, and there's no way around it. You're just going to have to go and look for it using the tips that I gave you earlier. Now, this video was meant to be a general overview of where to find the TV antenna signal meter in your television. As you know by now, you're going to have to look around for it. It's not going to jump out at you. You're going to have to search for it. I have made other videos though on how to find the signal meter in some specific TV brands. I'll list those in the description. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.